On July 25, 2025, Alberta issued 39 invitations to apply through its express entry stream, specifically targeting construction workers. The minimum CRS cutoff was 66, and eligible candidates had to list a qualifying construction occupation and job offer in their express entry profile. This draw is part of Alberta's focused strategy to fill labour gaps in priority sectors like construction, agriculture, aviation and healthcare. If you're in construction and have the profile and job offer, this could be your opportunity for a PR nomination in Alberta.